Have you ever wondered how topiary art is created? Topiary is a horticultural practice where perennial plants are trained and shaped. By clipping the foliage and twigs of trees and shrubs, one can develop and maintain well-defined shapes. Creating topiary may seem complex, but with some patience and the right approach, anyone can give it a try. So, how does one create a topiary masterpiece? Well, it all begins with choosing the right plant. Usually, you'd want to go for an evergreen with dense foliage, something like a boxwood or a yew. These plants are ideal as they retain their greenery all year round, providing a constant canvas for your creative endeavors. Next up, you'll need a sturdy frame to guide the shape of your topiary. This could be anything from a simple sphere to an intricate animal shape. You secure your chosen plant to this frame, letting it serve as a blueprint for your living sculpture. Now, the real artistry begins. With diligent pruning and shaping, you guide your plant into its form. This isn't a one-time task, but a continuous process. As the plant grows, so does your topiary, evolving under your careful hands. Remember, the key to topiary is patience and consistent care. With time, you'll see your plant transform into a true work of art. So now you know the secrets behind topiary art. It's all about choosing the right plant, utilizing a frame to guide your design, and consistently pruning and shaping to keep your masterpiece in check. With patience and care, you too can create your own living sculpture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.